Ah, there goes Jimmy, our curious leatherback sea turtle, swimming freely as he should, exploring the depths of the Arabian Sea. He doesn't really know about Galaxy smartphones or the fact that they're made with ocean-bound plastics and discarded fishing nets, which could potentially end up in the ocean, trapping him in an invisible web of doom. All Jimmy wants is to have a jolly good time, hanging out with friends, grabbing a bite on the go, and live in a world without pollution. And while this is what we all hope for, more still needs to be done. That's why we've joined hands with Emirates Nature-WWF to support more ocean conservation projects, so creatures like Jimmy here can enjoy a better, more sustainable future. Save the ocean, one galaxy at a time.